Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to send messages on iPhone iOS 18 on iMessage with echo effect on your iPhone. So if you want to send messages to another person on iPhone with a special effect, so with the echo effect, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to again click on setting and you have to go to general. And this time you have to simply click on software update and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS. And after checking for the latest iOS version, what you have to do next is you have to again go to settings, and this time you have to go to apps. And here in apps, you have to search for the messages app. So here you have to simply open the messages app. And after opening the messages app, you have to make sure that you have turned on the iMessages app and you have turned on this toggle and activated the iMessages on your iPhone. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the iMessage. Now you have to simply open the chat with the person you want to send the message with the special echo effect. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply type the message, and after that you have to simply press and hold that arrow. As you press and hold that arrow, here you can simply find a new kind of option is available. So here if you go to the screen, then if you swipe to the right, then there are many effects available so that you can simply check. Moreover, if you want to send the message with echo effect, then you can simply find it here. So here you can simply if you click on arrow, then your message will be sent it as an echo effect and with loud sound. So you can also send it with gentle and invisible echo. So you can use that special effect on your iPhone iMessages. So that's all about the today video. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this,